Chromesthesia synesthesia, an odd and somewhat rare condition. Very few people are diagnosed with it. Synesthesia itself is, generically speaking, where a person's senses become jumbled and therefore confused. Chromesthesia synesthesia particularly is where a person might hear a musical note and see a specific color. We will be taking a look at this through the point of view of a chromesthesia synesthete. When a solitary note on a guitar is played, a person may see this color. Now, if a different note is played to the same person, they may see this color. And now, if the notes are combined to create a song, this is what they may see. While science may label this as a condition, we consider it a gift.